Welcome to C Factor Electrical. On this video I'm going to show you how to replace your old socket or spoiled socket. But first of all, you have to off the control fuse off. After offing the control fuse, then you lose this and use the new one to replace it. As you can see, I've bought the new one. This is the new socket. This is the new one. I'm going to use it to replace this one. So watch. With this screwdriver, I'm going to use it to lose this. Then after losing it, there will be 3 wires inside that I will use to replace it. So let's get started. So as you can see, I've lost socket, the socket, I've lost it. And if you look inside, you will see 3 wires. This is the neutral, this is the earth, and this is the life wire, which is the red. And they also have a specific name or specific symbol behind the socket. As you can see, this one is N, while this one is E. Or most sockets, you can see something like circle and dash 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 inside. That's the symbol of it, because most sockets you can't see this A. And L and red is represented with the letter of L. So anywhere you see L, know that that is red wire or the life wire, and black is present with N. Anywhere you see N, know that that is neutral or black wire. And anywhere that you see E or that symbol circle with dash dash inside, you know that is earth wire. So the old socket, look at it here, and and I'm going to install the new one. See it here. If you can see the socket, you will know that it has an indicator. This indicator will show you after connecting it. You on this after connecting it, on it. Then a red light will be showing here to indicate that the socket is working. If the light is somehow small, somehow dim, then know that your connection is wrong. The red wire will go to the life, and the earth will go to the earth. I mean, as you can see from the socket also, what I was saying before. See the symbol earth, it's somehow circle with dash inside, and neutral is represented with N. Here is the neutral point, L point, life, and earth position. So I'm going to replace it with here now with my screwdrivers and plier. I've already bent the wire, so I need a lot of initiating plier. So I'm going to only use screwdriver to put the wires, tight the wire firmly inside, then put it back. Mind you, please, before installing this thing, first of all, off the light source, which is the control fuse, off it, or even if possible, remove the fuses for someone not to emergency go and put